Let us look into this proof. Triangle APM and ABC are two right triangles. Here, angle AMP is 90 degree and angle ABC is also 90 degree. And in both triangles, angle A is common. So how we prove this result? To prove that triangle ABC is similar to triangle AMP, that means CA by PA equal to BC by MP. Here, angle AMP and angle ABC are 90 degree and angle MAP, which is MAP and CAB, that is both representing the same angle. These are common. Hence, we can say that triangle AMP is similar to triangle ABC. Then we can take the ratio of their sides. That is AM by AB equal to AM by AB, corresponding sides AM and AB. So AM by AB equal to MP. The corresponding side of MP is BC. MP by BC equal to AP by AC. Then we can take the reciprocals since we want to prove CA by PA equal to BC by MP. Here, take the reciprocals. AB by AM equal BC by MP equal AC by AP. So we got the result, that is CA. AC and CA are same. CA by PA. Here it is AP, both are same. So CA by PA equal to BC by MP. In question number 10, it is given that two triangles, triangle ABC and triangle EFG are given, and bisectors of angle C and angle G are given. That is CD and GH are respectively the bisectors of angle ACB and angle EGF of triangle ABC and triangle EFG. So let us look into this figure. Triangle ACB. ACB and CD is the bisector of angle C. And in this triangle, triangle EGF, HG is the bisector of angle EGF. Then, since it is given triangle ABC similar to triangle FEG, angle A, corresponding angles are equal. So angle A equal to angle F, angle B equal to angle E, angle C equal to angle G. Then take the ratio of their corresponding sides. AB by FE equal to BC by EG equal to AC by FG. Since all angles are equal, the bisectors are also equal. Here, triangle ACD, we want to take triangle ACD and FGH. Which are the triangle? Triangle ACD and FGH. FGH. Since angle C and angle G are equal, the bisectors are also equal. That is angle C, half of angle C and half of angle G. Which are they? Angle DCB. We want to take angle DCB and angle HGE. This angle and the upper part of this one, both are equal. And DCA equal to HGF. DCB equal to HGE and DCA equal to HGF. Also given angle P equal to angle E among this DCB and HGE. DCB and HGE, angle B and angle E are equal, and the angles, corresponding angles, these two angles are also equal. HGE and BCD are equal. That means in these two triangles, two angles are equal Therefore, we can apply AAA similarity theorem. Hence, these two triangles are similar. Consider the ratio of the sides BC by EG equal to AB by FE equal to AC by FG. Then triangle ABC is similar to triangle FEG, that is given. Then corresponding angles. Which are the corresponding angles? Angle ABC equal to angle FEG, angle BAC equal to angle EFG, angle ACB equal to angle FG. In triangle ACD and triangle FGH, angle DAC equal to angle HFG. Since CA is the bisector of angle BCA and GH is the bisector of angle EGF, we can take the half of the angles. That is, half of angle ACB equal to half of angle EGF and angle ACD equal to angle HGF. Therefore, by AAA similarity theorem, triangle ACD similar to triangle FGH. So we can take the ratio of their sides, that is AC by FG equal to CD by GH equal to AD by FH. That is, angle DBC equal to angle HEG and angle DCB equal to angle HGE, half of angle C and angle G. Then we can apply AAA similarity. Hence, we can write triangle DCB similar to triangle HGE. Hence, in this question, ABC is an isosceles triangle. ABC is an isosceles triangle, and that means AB equal to AC, and also angle B equal to angle C. We want to prove triangle ABD similar to triangle ECF. In this triangle ABC, angle B equal to angle C. Then AD is perpendicular to BC. So here the 90 degree, and EF is perpendicular to AC. Here also angle EFC is 90 degree. Then in triangle ABD and ECF, ABD and ECF, which angle is common? Angle ECF. ECF and ABD, these two angles are equal. Angle B and angle C are equal. And one of the angle is 90 degree. That is angle EFC is 90 and angle BDA is 90 degree. So the two angles of these two triangles are equal. Hence, by AAA similarity, the two triangles are similar. Then 11th question. Triangle ABC and triangle PQR and the medians AD and PM are given. And the question says that AB, BC and median AD are proportional to PQ, QR and PM. Since AB, PQ, BC, QR and AD and PM are proportional to each other. So we can write the ratio as AB by PQ equal to BC by QR equal AD by PM. Then AD is the median, BD equal to DC in the figure. Here AD is the median, BD equal to DC, and PM is the median, QM equal to MR. So here we can write BC by QR, which is equal to AD by PM. So we want to take half of BC. So BC by QR equal to half of BC by half of QR. Then what is half of BC? Half of BC is BD and half of QR is QM. Then the ratio of their sides becomes AB by PQ equal to BC by QR, and which is equal to BD by QR. Therefore, the triangles ABD similar to triangle PQM by SSS similarity. That means angle ABD equal to angle PQM. Then consider triangle PQR and triangle ABC. And in triangle PQR and triangle ABC, we know that AB by PQ equal to QR by BC. And one of the angle is equal to each other. So PQ by AB equal to QR by BC and angle ABD equal to angle PQM. Therefore, by SAS similarity, the two triangles PQR similar to triangle ABC. Then question number 13. In triangle ADC and ABC, it is given that angle BAC equal to angle ADC. BAC is the angle and which is equal to angle ADC. And angle ACB equal to ACD. That is, these two angles are common. Therefore, triangle ABC similar to triangle DAC by AAA similarity. Then we can take the ratio of their sides. That is, AB by DA equal to BC by AC equal to AC by DC. Then take the two ratios BC by AC equal to AC by DC. Cross multiplying, we will get AC square is equal to BC into D. In the 14th question, sides AB and AC of triangle ABC and the median also proportional to the sides PQ, PR and median PM of triangle PQR. So we want to write the ratios as AB by PQ equal to AC by PR equal to AD by PM. Since AD is the median, BD equal to DC. PM is the median, QM equal to MR. For proving, we want to construct another triangle. How we can construct? Extend AD and PM. Then that is AD and PM such that AD equal to DE. We want to extend AD up to the point E such that AD equal to DE, and the same way we want to extend PM up to the point N such that PM is equal to MN. Then consider the quadrilaterals. Since BD and DC are equal and by our construction AD and DE are equal. Therefore, the diagonals are bisect each other. Diagonals bisect each other, therefore ABEC is a parallelogram. The same way QM equal to MR since PM is the median. And by our construction PM and MN are equal. Therefore, PQNR is also a parallelogram. So, in a parallelogram, opposite sides are equal. So, BE equal to AC and in this figure, QN is equal to PR and also NR is equal to PR and here EC equal to AB. Since BE by QN, BE is equal to AC, so BE by QN can be written as AC by PR. And that AC by PR is equal to AB by PQ. Hence, we can write the equalities as BE by QN is equal to AB by PQ equal to AD by DM and take the double of AD. What is double of AD? That is AE by PN. Then we can write AB by PQ, that is AB by PQ equal to BE by QN equal to AE by PN. That is, in these triangles, these two triangles ABE and PQN, the three sides are in the same ratio. Therefore, the triangles are similar. And the angles, angle BAE equal to angle QPN, corresponding angles are equal. Also, in triangle ACE, similar to triangle PRN. Then we can write the angles, corresponding angles, angle CAE equal to angle RPN. And if you are adding these two, what we will get in the figure, BAE plus CAE equal to, since these two angles are equal to QPN and RPN, so BAE plus CAE. In this figure, BAE plus CAE is BAC and QPN plus RPN is equal to QPR. So, we can write angle BAE plus CAE equal to angle QPN plus RPN, that is angle A equal to angle P. Therefore, in the two triangles, the two sides are in the same ratio and one of the angle, that is included angle are equal to each other. Therefore, triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR by SAS similarity. Then question number 16. That is 15. Question number 15. A vertical pole of length 6 meter and cast a shadow of 4 meter on the ground, and at the same time a tower cast a shadow of 28 meter. So these two triangles are similar. At the same time, the shadow and the object, the angle between the shadow and the object, here it is 90 degree and here also. So take the two triangles, triangle ABC and triangle PQR. They are similar. Since the triangles are similar, we can take the ratio of their sides. That is AB by PQ equal to BC by QR equal AC by PR. In the figure, what is AB? AB is 6 and PQ, we want to find the value of PQ equal to, from the figure, what is BC? That is the length of the shadow is 4 meter. 4 by the 28. Shadow of that vertical tower, that is 28 meter. So 4 by 28. Then cross multiplying. So PQ is equal to 6 into 28 by 4. We can cancel 4 and 28. So it is 7. 7 into 6, 42. Or multiplying 6 with the 28, that is 168 by 4. So again we will get 42 meter. Then 16th one. If AD and PM are medians of triangle ABC and PQR respectively, where triangle ABC similar to triangle PQR. So here two conditions are given. Triangle ABC similar to triangle PQR and medians. Median means medians divides the opposite side into equal parts. So BD equal to DC and QM equal to MR. Then AB by PQ. Here we want to take this ratio of their sides as AB by PQ equal to BC by QR equal to AC by PR. And also the angles are equal. And since BD equal to DC, BD and DC are equal, or BD is half of BC. And QM and MR are equal. QM is half of QR. So BC by QR can be written as half of BC by half of QR. So how we prove the result? That is QM equal to MR, that is 2 QM equal to QR, or half of QR equal to QM. And here AB by PQ equal to BC by QR equal half of BC by half of QR. That can be written as half of BC, we know that it is BD, and half of QR is QM. So AB by PQ equal to BD by QM. AB by PQ equal to BD by QM, these two ratios. And angle ABD equal to angle PQM. From the given statement, triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR. P and Q are corresponding angles. So these two conditions we got, that is two sides are in equal ratio and one of the included angle are equal. Therefore, by SAS similarity, triangle ABD similar to triangle PQM. That is AB by PQ equal BD by QM, and the included angle ABD equal to angle PQM. Therefore, the two triangles are similar, and hence we can write the ratio of the sides. AB by PQ equal to BD by QM equal to AD by PM. Hence the proof.